Let's talk about eating out, because that's sometimes a place where people end up wasting food. In fact, around 33% of the food that goes out of restaurants is plate waste. So that means we've over-ordered and under-eaten. And this is a waste that can actually be reduced. So myself, I eat out all the time because I'm on the road working. I've got better and better at going to restaurants that serve those tappers sort of meals and just ordering a couple, then we're still hungry, order another one. Or I've got good at asking about their portion sizes so I don't waste it. But, if I'm going to a local restaurant with my mates, I normally don't worry about leftovers because when I'm at home, I'm going to take them home. Now, a lot of people ask for a doggy bag, and I've got girlfriends who are like, oh, you'd really take it home? Oh, yeah, I'm taking it home. I paid for it. I'm going to take it home and eat it. But sometimes, you don't want to ask for a doggy bag, or some places actually even charge you for a doggy bag. So I've got it down pat. I found this. This is a little container I got, and it just sits nicely in my handbag when I'm out for dinner, and it's sort of expands out like that with a little spork on the top. So I'll just put my leftovers in here, take it home, and there's my lunch for tomorrow. Or if I'm not going to eat it, I'll whack it in the freezer, and there's lunch for another day. But then sometimes I go out with my girlfriends, and they don't like taking their leftovers. So I found this one. Now, this is absolutely brilliant because if they're not going to take home their leftovers, I am. So it's got sections in it. Look at that. Absolutely perfect for a night out with the girls. You just pop those out, put all those leftovers in there. I chuck the lid on. I take it home and I say to my husband, look, babe, I got you takeout. And then it gets eaten. And if he doesn't want to eat it because he's already eaten, then I'll chuck it in the freezer and there's a TV dinner another night. So if you're going out for dinner, then maybe plan to not order too much or plan to take home your leftovers. One or the other, it will stop you from wasting so much food. The other thing just on that eating out is often when me and my team are on the road, it's quite challenging to not have leftovers. Like I said, we do try our best, but every now and then we get some leftovers that we can't eat because when we go home, we're staying in a hotel. There's no microwave, and we're often travelling between places from day to day. So if we do end up with too much food, one thing that we have made a habit, and I really actually enjoy it these days, is I pack those leftovers up into a doggy bag, get the restaurant to do it, and we drop them off to a homeless person on our way back to the hotel because we're often staying in the city. So we'll drop them off to somebody in need, and if we can't find somebody in need, we will put it next to a rubbish bin because often people who are homeless, you see them digging through the rubbish. I don't like that to happen, so I'll put it on the seat next door and just write free feed on it, and hopefully it can help somebody else out. But leftovers, especially once food's been cooked, and if you've got a lot of leftovers after a meal, even at home, why not look to put it on a plate, or keep your takeaway containers, put it in there, and maybe drop it off to one of the homeless people or somebody who's in need instead of throwing it out, and especially into your food scraps bin or compost bin. Like, that's such a waste of food when it could actually feed a person.